Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to find your Google account password using your smartphone. Now to do that, just open Gmail, then tap on the profile icon and tap on Google account. Now just swipe to the left side and tap on security. Now on this page, just go to password manager and tap on google.com. Now just enter your lock screen pin. And from here, you can tap on this icon to copy your password. And you can also edit your password from here. And you can delete your password from here. And this is how you can find your Google account password using your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.